Actually, I think Pahalgam is very peaceful landscape. It's very beautiful.
How do you find the security here? Feel any apprehension
The,
roaming around?
the city, the security. I think the army is everywhere, so I think it's safer.
Oh, it's very beautiful. The incident really doesn't discourage me because military everywhere, like I feel very safe. And just use common sense, just don't wander off any, place that you're not allowed to go. That's it.